Hey gearheads! Welcome back to Crazy Auto Premiere, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving into Audi's latest addition to the luxury EV segment, the 2025 Audi Q6 e-tron, and its stylish sibling, the Q6 e-tron Sportback. Is this the perfect balance between size, power, and range? Let's find out. Audi has placed the Q6 e-tron right between the Q4 e-tron and the Q8 e-tron, aiming to give buyers an ideal balance of space and performance. It's a luxurious electric SUV packed with tech, sustainable materials, and a futuristic driving experience. Starting at $65,095, this EV competes with the likes of the Cadillac Lyriq, Genesis electrified GV70, and Lexus RS. So, what does this mean for EV enthusiasts? Let's break it down. 2025 brings a brand new addition to Audi's electric lineup. The Q6 e-tron will be available in two body styles, a traditional SUV and the sleek Sportback version. Plus, there's a high-performance Q6 e-tron, but that's a story for another day. The 2025 Audi Q6 e-tron follows Audi's standard trim levels: Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige. The base model starts at $65,095, while the top-tier Prestige can go up to $78,000. If you want the best balance of performance and features, the Premium Plus Quattro at $71,895 gives you all-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control, an upgraded sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. Let's talk about performance. The base rear-wheel drive model delivers 322 horsepower and boasts an impressive claimed range of 321 miles on a full charge. However, if you're looking for more power and all-wheel drive capability, the dual-motor Quattro version steps it up with 456 horsepower. This model accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds while maintaining a range of 307 miles. But if that's still not enough, the high-performance Q6 e-tron takes things even further, generating a staggering 510 horsepower and featuring a sportier suspension for an even more thrilling driving experience. According to Audi, the single-motor version will accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.3 seconds. Meanwhile, the dual-motor Quattro model reduces that time to just 4.9 seconds. We'll have to wait for real-world tests to verify these figures, but on paper, these numbers look impressive. The Q6 e-tron is powered by a high-capacity 94.4 kWh battery, combined with Audi's state-of-the-art 800-volt architecture. But what does this mean for you? It translates to incredibly fast and efficient charging. With a DC fast charger, the battery can go from just 10% to 80% charge in less than 30 minutes. This makes it ideal for quick top-ups during road trips or daily commutes, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time driving. As for range, the EPA estimates that the single-motor version can travel up to 321 miles on a full charge, while the dual-motor Quattro model offers an estimated range of 307 miles. In real-world conditions, the range varies between 295 and 307 miles. That means you can take on long road trips with confidence, without worrying about frequent charging stops. Step inside the Q6 e-tron, and you'll find a high-tech premium cabin. The dashboard is covered with curved digital displays, and Audi uses sustainable materials in the upholstery. With a longer wheelbase than the Q5, there's more legroom for passengers, though cargo space behind the second row is less than some rivals. Still, you get a small front trunk for extra storage. Tech enthusiasts, this one's for you. The Audi Q6 e-tron is packed with cutting-edge technology to enhance your driving experience. It features a sleek, curved 11.9-inch digital gauge cluster that provides all your essential driving information with crisp clarity. At the center, a large 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system ensures seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. For an even more immersive experience, an optional 10.9-inch passenger display allows your co-pilot to stay engaged. Running on an advanced Android-based operating system, the Q6 e-tron delivers smooth and intuitive functionality. Audi also enhances the in-car audio experience with an incredible 830-watt Bang & Olufsen sound system, delivering rich and immersive sound quality. And if that's not enough, the head-up display features an augmented reality function, bringing futuristic navigation right onto your windshield, making every drive smarter and more engaging. Audi has packed the Q6 e-tron with a ton of safety features, including automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection standard, lane departure warning standard, adaptive cruise control with lane centering available. We're still waiting on crash test results from NHTSA and IIHS, but given Audi's track record, we expect high ratings. Audi offers a limited warranty that covers 4 years or 50,000 miles, ensuring peace of mind for a significant period of ownership. For the electric components, Audi provides an even more extensive warranty, lasting 8 years or up to 100,000 miles. However, unlike some of its competitors, Audi does not include complimentary scheduled maintenance with the purchase of the vehicle. This is an important factor to consider when evaluating the overall cost of ownership. So, is the 2025 Audi Q6 e-tron worth your money? It's got the looks, the tech, and solid performance figures. If you're looking for a luxury EV SUV with good range, premium features, and Audi's signature ride quality, this might be the one for you. But what do you think? Is the Q6 e-tron a game changer, or do competitors like the Cadillac Lyriq and Genesis GV70 have the edge? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crazy Auto Premiere for more epic car reviews. See you in the next one.